Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. I started by coloring my basic vanilla cake into two-tone. Now I'm pouring the three tones together in the cake pan, being very careful not to overmix and trying to keep the plain color the main color of the cake. Now I'm pouring tempered chocolate onto parchment paper, adding some sprinkles and some glitter. And I'm gonna crimple the paper to give movement to the decoration, and once it's dry, I put it to the side. And then with the same chocolate, with the same tempered chocolate, I'm going to create some spheres for the planets. Once they're dry, I unmold them and I either paint it with the gold or sprinkle it with some glitter that I attach with corn syrup. Now I'm gonna add some tiles to purple fondant and I'm going to create all the stars. Roll it thick and roll it in different sizes and then put a skewer through it. Once they're dry, you mix corn syrup with water and paint all your decorations, and you sprinkle it with the edible glitter. You can do all of this in advance. Now let's start with the lettering. This is a mold by Wilton that I love because the letters are rather thick. I like that, they have a lot of presence. To paint the letters, I'm going to add a little bit of liquor to my gold dust, and I'm gonna go over the letters as many times as I need to get it right, very shiny, and the background doesn't show. Look how cool the cake looks with all the different colors. Now that all our decorations are ready, we are going to fill and frost our cake. Don't forget, the first layer is a crumb coat and you put in the fridge, and once it's ready, you are ready to frost with the color. Now that the crumb coat is cold, we are starting to frost with the pink color. We are doing a pink galaxy because the girl loves pink. I tinted some buttercream blue and black, and I'm just adding little splashes with the spatula here and there. First with the blue and now with the black. Now I come with the scraper and create this wonderful galaxy effect. If I feel that I'm losing some color, I can always add a little bit more and go back. Once I love my galaxy, I'm gonna add plenty of stars and the planets that I previously created and dried. Now the letters and more planets. I'm filling my pastry bag that is fitted with a star tip with all the previous colors, and I'm going to create this rosette to hold the decorations. Now you're ready to have fun arranging the stars and the numbers and all the things you previously created in the top. Move them around, see how you like it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and ask any questions. More sprinkles and you're ready. See you next time.